ரைட் இந்த இங்கே வந்தாங்க ஆமாம்
கரெக்ஷன்ஸ் போட்டுங்களா?
ஆமாம் கொஞ்சம் திருப்பி காட்டும் வந்துடும். Okay. So next one problem, we are going to work out the problem, practical problem. How can we prepare a budget? Okay. So here you see the problem. Mr. Gupta, a sales manager of APC Manufacturing Company Limited, reports that he expects to sell 50,000 units of particular product. Mr. Gupta, sales manager of APC Company Limited. APC Company Limited. Okay, so he expects to sell 50,000 units of particular product. So sales manager, he is a sales manager. So he expects to sell 50,000 units. With this information, we may be able to prepare sales budget. Okay, fine. Next, Mr. Madan. Mr. Madan, production manager of the same company, gives the following information. So two types of material A and material B are required to produce one product. So sales manager, he prepared sales budget. He estimated 50,000 units of a 50,000 units of product. So to produce a product, two types of material will be required. Material A and material B will be required. Okay, fine. So each product requires 4 units. 4 units for material A, then 3 units for material B. The following opening and closing stock of materials and products are estimated to be as follows. So here they have given finished goods, opening stock, closing stock. Material A, opening stock, closing stock. Material B, opening stock, closing stock. Material price per unit of material A is 5 rupees per unit. Raw material. Okay. Raw material price per unit 5 rupees. Raw material price for B 6 rupees. Okay, 5 rupees per unit, 6 rupees per unit. Now we have to prepare the budget. We have to prepare the budget. Now sales budget. So sales manager, he will prepare the sales budget. Sales manager will prepare sales budget. See the problem? Mr. Gupta is the sales manager. Mr. Gupta is the sales manager of ABC Manufacturing Company Limited. He expects to sell 50,000 units. Expect to sell 50,000 units. That means sales 50,000 units. So this is the base. Projected sales 50,000 units. Based on the sales budget, production budget will be prepared. Based on the production budget, based on the sales budget, production budget will be prepared. Who is the production manager? See, Mr. Madan is the production manager. Madan is the production manager. He gives the following information. That is, two types of material A and material B are required to produce one product. How many products we have to produce? 50,000 units we have to produce. How many material is required for material A? For material B, two types of materials required to produce one unit. Okay. Then how many raw materials for material A will be required to produce one unit? How many raw material for B will be required to produce one unit? That are now production budget. So budgeted sales, how much? 50,000 units. Budgeted sales 50,000 units. Add ending inventory of finished goods 18,000. Total need of production 68,000. 50 plus 18, 68,000. Less opening stock of finished goods 12,000. So budgeted sales 50,000 units. Already we had some finished goods. But total, how much we have total need of production? I mean closing stock of finished. We have to keep 18,000 units. Closing stock of units 18,000 units. So total need of production 16,000. So out of 16,000, opening stock of finished goods 12,000. 12,000 units We have already we have. So total unit of production 68. Because sales manager he is telling that so 50,000 units should be produced. But the production manager he wants to keep 80,000 units as a stock. He wants to keep 18,000 units as a stock. That is why total unit of production is 68,000 units. 68,000 units. Now, already opening stock. That means previous year production 12,000 units. So out of 68,000, if you deduct 12,000 units, the total required production 56,000 units. I mean total required production 56,000 to be produced. How many units should be sold? To be sold 50,000 units. To be produced 56,000 units. Okay, fine. So we prepared a particular production budget. So based on the production budget, we have to prepare purchase budget. We have to prepare purchase budget. That is direct material A budget, direct material B budget. Okay, so listen, see this. Required production 56,000 units to be produced. To produce 56,000 units, total raw materials 56,000 units. Raw material required to produce 1 unit of a product is 4 units. Okay, to produce 1 unit, raw material A is required 4 units. So total raw material required to meet the production is 2,24,000. 2,24,000. Okay. So 2,24,000 total raw material required 2,24,000. Now purchase manager he wants to keep closing stock. He wants to keep stock. How many units? 20,000 units. So total 2,44,000. Out of 2,44,000, if you direct opening stock of raw material 10,000, I mean previous year already purchased raw material 10,000. So raw material to be purchased 2,34,000 units. 2,34,000 units. Okay, fine. So now we come to the cost, come to the price. What is the price per unit? Per unit 5 rupees. Per unit 5 rupees. So total number of units to be purchased 2,34 units. Now what is the cost of capital, cost of raw material to be purchased? So 2,34,000 into 5 equal to 11,70,000 rupees. 70,000 rupees. 11,70,000 rupees. Okay, so this is material budget. Material budget, direct material budget for material A. Okay, same thing. See, you are going to see for material B. So required production already we calculated, that is 56,000 units. So this is based on the production budget. Okay, fine. So raw material to produce 1 unit of product is here. Then previous case direct material 4 units, but to material B 3. So raw material required to meet the production products 1,36,000. That is 56,000 into 3 equal to 1,66,000. Okay. Now the purchase manager or stores manager he wants to maintain stock 26,000 to meet the immediate demand or immediate urgent matter. 26,000. So 1,60,000 is 1 lakh raw material required, 1,68,000 closing stock 26,000. So total required 1,94,000. Okay. So we have to purchase 1,94,000 units. But already we have 14,000 units. We have already 14,000 units. So you have to deduct this 14,000 units. If you deduct this 14,000 units, then raw material to be purchased 1,80,000 units to be purchased. So we have to purchase 1,80,000 units. Then 1,80,000 units to be purchased. Now come to the cost. What is the cost? Direct material cost per unit 6 rupees. Per unit 6 rupees. For purchase 1 unit, we have to pay 6 rupees. For purchasing 1,80,000 units, we have to pay 10,80,000 rupees. So we have to pay 10,80,000 rupees. Okay. So ladies and gentlemen, first sales budget. Sales budget, that is estimated sales. Sales budget will be prepared by the sales manager. What is the sales budget? Estimated sales 50,000 units. So this figure comes to here, because production budget is prepared based on the sales budget. Okay, production budget is prepared based on the sales budget. So first figure, sales budget. So for preparing the production budget, we need budgeted sales. For budgeted sales, we have to prepare sales budget. So that is why sales budget is the base for the production budget. Okay, fine. Next, see this 56,000. 50,000. Then closing stock, opening stock, give the record, opening stock, then total record production 56,000. So 53,000 production budget. Number of units required production, total required production 56,000. Now this 56,000 will be a base for production. I mean material budget. See this 56,000. See one more thing, 56,000. See 56,000. So purchase budget is prepared based on the production budget. Production budget is prepared based on the sales budget. Okay, so these are the functional budgets. So all budget will be aggregated in the master budget. Okay, in the master budget. So based on the production budget, we prepared purchase budget. Based on the, so this is the base. Based on the production budget, we prepared a direct material budget. Based on the production budget, we may be able to we will be able to prepare what do you call this which budget, administrative expenses budget, selling distribution expenses budget, then factory production cost budget. Okay, production cost budget will be prepared based on the production budget. Production cost budget will be prepared based on the production budget. Production cost. What's the total cost required to produce 56 units? That is production cost budget. So production cost budget is based on the production budget. Purchase budget is based on the purchase budget. I mean production budget. Direct labor budget based on the production budget. And other expenses based on the production budget. But the production budget is prepared based on the sales budget. Okay, so this is very easy to understand. So first of all, we have to prepare sales budget, then production budget, then based on the production budget, we have to prepare direct material budget, then based on the production budget, we have to prepare the direct material B budget. Okay, fine. So with this, we come to the conclusion. Okay, thank you, gentlemen. Thank you.